Welcome to the Perfect Recipe Remake Show. I'm EK, your animated chef, with my furry taste testers, Romeo and Juliet. Today we're making pistachio-Peshawari ice cream from Peshawar, inspired by the original recipe from Food Fusion. It's super easy to make, tastes amazing, and just might become your new favourite. Here's what you'll need: full cream milk, sugar, pistachio essence, green food colour, cream, and of course, lots of pistachios. And don't worry, full list quantities are in the description below. In a pan, bring full cream milk to a gentle boil. Add sugar, mix till dissolved. Remove from heat, let it rest for a few moments. Then add pistachio essence, food colouring, and mix well. Look at Romeo. I wonder what he's thinking. Add cream and whisk well. Okay, time to let it cool. Romeo, I don't think blowing on it helps that much. Juliet, where did you even get that fan? These two are doing everything but waiting patiently. Once the mixture is fully cooled, strain it into a bowl to make it smooth and creamy, unless a certain someone decides to help. Time to freeze. Romeo insists on tapping out the bubbles himself, covering with cling film, and Romeo's here to quality check. Now into the freezer it goes, but Juliet's already up here, making space like a little ice cream manager. She takes her job very seriously, especially when it involves dessert. Now, it's been about 8 hours. Let's take out the container from the freezer and let it rest for a couple of minutes. Let's cut the frozen mixture into cubes. Romeo and Juliet, not yet. Pop the cubes into a food processor and blend until smooth. Juliet is mesmerised. It's time to chop pistachios so we can add it to the ice cream mixture. Now stir in those pistachios to the ice cream mixture for a little crunch and magic. Then it goes back again in the freezer for the final time. After 8 hours in the freezer, our ice cream is ready. Just make sure to leave it out on the counter for a few minutes to soften. Now it's time to taste. And as you can see, Romeo and Juliet are very excited. Just look at that. Smooth, creamy, and full of pistachio flavour. This dreamy Peshawari ice cream was inspired by the amazing recipe from Food Fusion. Thank you for the inspiration. We love you, Food Fusion.
Romeo nache, Juliet घूमे, Peshawari ice cream, सब कुछ भूले, नाचो गाओ twist करो beam, Juliet की fave, Peshawari ice cream.
We hope you enjoyed the recipe and our cat's happy dance too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more perfect recipes. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!